Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve business and initiative Sudoku Baslang April to 2022 very hard Sudoku. Column I, column J, second row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these 2 cells. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 2. 8th row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come the 3 cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 10th row we have 8. So 8 can come. And 9th grade we have 8. So 8 can come these cells. This cell, then 8 is confirmed here. And then 9 is here. We can also confirm 9 also here. Second row and fourth row and column G we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row and 7th row and 6th row and 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. Column D we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In third row only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row we have 2, 6, 7. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Ninth row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D and the nth row we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row and 5th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. First grade we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. 4th row and 9th row and 6th row and 7th row we have 9. And 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column F we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Tenth row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. 9th grade we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in the two cells. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F and column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 6th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining 7 and 5. Column E, we got 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is can't come here, then 5 is here. Column E, two numbers are remaining 3 and 6. 7th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining 1 and 2. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 6th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.